How did that?
I literally heard it. It just happened. I thought somebody crashed.
Yeah. Look to the left.
Oh wow. Yes. OakBerry, they got this in Brazil. This is a Brazilian company. I mean, that I think. First time I experienced it was in Brazil. So we're gonna try the OakBerry here in Colombia and see does it hold up to the Brazilian standard. First try. Smells similar.
What are you thinking?
It's good. It's good.
Similar to Rio?
Similar. Mm-hmm. It's similar. Yeah. Yeah. Similar.
Similar.
Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm. It's good. I like it.
Cacao.
Sí.
Granula chocolate. Sí, banana.
¿Te gusta? Making wifeys.
Yeah.
Queen V. Reina V. No.
It seems like kind of a little bit like putting more acai in it.
And this one?
Yeah.
Than the ones in Brazil?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like the amount?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. Muchas gracias.
I like that.
Yeah.
Wow, 11:11, reading our assignment. Cheers. Wow. See, I have cacao nibs. Actually, I never had a cacao nibs on top. Good.
Yep. Good.
I need to go back to my camera roll about the amount of acai inside.
Yeah.
But
I think
that's,
these cups are thicker. I think
yeah,
the ones in Brazil are just skinnier.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm,
I say it's good. It's not as high quality as the one in Brazil, but it's pretty good.
yeah,
But it's pretty close though, to be honest.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty close.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
You just don't have the Brazil feeling. It's just a whole feeling eating it, but in Brazil versus here.
It's a whole nother level. Being on the water, you know, being in the infamous Copacabana
Yeah.
with the infamous, you know, the Brazil has the design on the road. It's just the whole experience, you know. Right now we're in the depressed weather,
It's raining today. Yeah.
so it's the vibe, you know. But it's pretty good.
How much did we pay for this?
We paid $7.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's good
Yeah.
for a premium, premium thing. You get chia seeds, coconut, dehydrated coconut, peanut butter, acai, banana.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
So, what's so happy about acai?
It's native to Brazil. It's a high in antioxidants, so it's anti-inflammatory. It actually reduces your blood sugar. It balances your blood sugar. Traditionally, like when you get the berry, it's really bitter, but they use banana to sweeten it. When the oak berry, they use bananas to sweeten it. ORAC value is really high. So ORAC has had a I guess, measure some berries or antioxidant content or something like that. ORAC. It's like I think 30,000 or something like that. There's many health benefits. You can eat it every day. Um, gives you really good energy. It's good for your skin. Yeah, it's really good for you overall.
Yeah.
You know?
But like you said, I think what's good to know, but I see acai, you need to see, be careful. Some of them mix it with sugar as well, I think, to make
Yeah.
it more sweet, right?
Mm-hmm.
To pay attention to that, to find a brand which is using not sugar as a sweetener.
Yeah. Like in Brazil, we noticed that some people, a lot of people, they put like a lot of candy on it and stuff like that. And they turn it something that's healthy into something that's like a candy dessert, you know?
Yeah.
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 Really good.
Yeah. I miss it.
Mm-hmm. I wish we had one closer to our place.
We drove like, I don't know.
An hour.
Yeah. Get here.
Yeah, and like a really bumpy ride. It was rough for her in the back. I know. I was trying to go to sleep, just make it go by. But it was worth the ride for sure.
Yeah.
The mall is pretty unimpressive. They got a Decathlon. It's really small. They don't really have anything in there. Um, yeah, I'm going to check and see if they have a cinema here. But we came here for the Oakberry. So.
But I might want to get this boxing ball for the head.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
That would give you something to do as well.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna go get that.
Let's see how much it is. Maybe we can get two.
Mm-hmm.
So we can
Mm-hmm.
better each other.
Mm-hmm.
We can do more.
Mm-hmm. That's really good.
Had an accident in our barrio, really crazy.
Yeah.
Just a tree fell on the street and hit a motorbike rider.
Mm-hmm.
That was crazy.
Fell on them. Mm-hmm. Literally outside of our home.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Like we look out our window and you can just see. It was crazy. The bike was crushed.
Would have been us just
Would have been us.
crossing the street, going on the other side of the street and getting hit by that tree.
Yeah, it's crazy how nature works in mysterious ways. Never know. But luckily, I think that you guys are going to be okay. But
Yeah. We don't know what internal.
exactly, he was bleeding and he wasn't standing up, but his bike was smashed. So
Yeah.
he's not, he's still here. So that's good.
Yeah. His legs seemed like they didn't get like trapped under the tree or something.
Yeah, I didn't see that. But the ambulance came and the firemen came and they cut the tree up and stuff. It was like huge. It was huge. Maybe we put the video.
Yeah, put the video there.
You can get an idea. Like it's a massive tree. It's not a small tree. It's a really old tree.
So be grateful for life and
yeah.
you have here, you know,
Really can be going like that.
on something you don't expect. Oh, yeah, the tree hitting you or you're crossing the street, like.
Mm-hmm. It was so random. I was like making a smoothie and I heard something. I'm thinking it was a bike accident. I was about to not even look out the window because this bike accident, that's not uncommon. Then I see people running like it's like a lot of noise. I'm like, okay, this must be pretty bad. Everybody's running over and there's like a big tree in the like middle of the street. Like everybody's running and one lady's like head on her head. And I'm like, oh wow.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Crazy. Oh yeah, and it took like the ambulance like 20 minutes to get there.
Yeah, that was that.
Yeah. So if something happens, you're pretty on your own here in Colombia. You gotta really hold yourself together. You gotta be careful.
And it's cold.
Yeah, it's very cold. I'm glad I wore my big shirt. And that other place in Botafogo as well. That wasn't an Oakberry we used to go to. It was even, we would go there more.
Yeah.
Because it's
That's
cheaper.
big one.
Yeah, you can get massive amounts.
How would you rate this OakBerry here? From 5 stars. 5 is the highest.
Hard. I'm gonna have to do 0 to 10.
Okay.
0 to 10, I would give it. I mean, am I comparing it to the other one? Like comparing it to the other one? If I'm comparing it to the other one, I'm gonna give it like a 6.
Yeah.
But in general, if I wouldn't compare it to the other one, I'd give it like an 8.
I agree. Yeah. It's nothing spectacular. I'm missing like kind of like a menu or something. It looks really very like bare minimum. So yeah, of course you can see the sign, but there's not much, you know. As well as the sitting area, pretty basic. Açai tastes good. Tastes better in Brazil, but
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe it's as well the feeling of being in Brazil. I don't know exactly.
Yeah. I
The
mean, of course
portion
they
is-
gotta ship the acai here, so it's not gonna be the same.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They don't gotta ship it nowhere in Brazil. They just they gotta freeze it and all that and ship it, and
Yeah.
you know it takes away from the flavor. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I agree.
It's good though.
6 for here. It's good. Nothing spectacular.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll like
Come
make
back.
this a regular. Yeah,
Nah, I wouldn't come back.
yeah, it's,
I mean, if I would live closer,
yeah.
maybe.
But it's not good enough to make another trip for just this. But in Brazil, for sure, like you make trips for the acai because it's that good. But that's because we've had Brazilian acai. If I never had Brazilian acai, like I said, this would be an 8.
Yeah.
But since I've had Brazilian acai, you know,
Yeah.
it's a difference. But for people who've never been to Brazil, who's in Colombia, I would definitely recommend coming to OakBerry.
And it's a good choice because it's hard to find really good acai, to be honest, when you're not in Brazil. And you know the Brazilian acai.
Mm-hmm. It took me a long time to even eat acai out of Brazil. It took me like years to even try any acai out of Brazil again because I was just like, it's not gonna be like this, you know. And I was right, it's not, you know. But I gave in after some years, and I've tried it. I'm here, right? So it's the second acai I've tried outside of Brazil.
Yeah.
The first one I bought in a store, Vida Integral here in Colombia as well. I don't even remember how it tastes. That's how it wasn't. I don't remember it.
It was decent, but in compared,
Yeah, can't
But this
compare.
one was a
You
four.
can't compare. Can't compare to Brazil. You know. So, yeah.
so we're heading back now in the metro from the mall where we had our acai bowl, and I just recognized that we didn't spend $7. We spent actually almost $12 on both acai bowls.
Yeah.
What you thought on
Never
that?
again.
Never again. Yeah, it's quite a much because you need to see the relations here. Like basically for that money, we could have had a healthy menu del dia for 2 people, which is for me with a soup, main course, and horse shrimp for the same money, and that's quite a lot for here.
Yeah.
So it was as well quite a trip to get there. We're now riding back home in the metro probably for 40 minutes or something like that.
We went to the wrong location too, but that's another story. We're supposed to already be home right now. It was my fault.
Yeah.
I put the wrong location in. So we're going all the way to the south of the town. And then I tried to. I was supposed to have a physio appointment today, but I came too early, and yeah.
Yeah, we took an Uber, wrong location, and I don't know. I get always conflicts in the Ubers here. I don't like them.
It
The
was the
metro is
worst.
way better. Like it's way better here. It's getting now a little full, but
It's not too bad right now.
we were sitting like a seat, so it's quite.
Yeah, but it might get packed though when we get to the connection spot. Yeah, as we get
San
closer to
Antonio,
the
yeah.
as we get closer to that connection, it's gonna get real crazy, like sardines, like Tokyo type shit.
Yeah. So yeah, that's a honest review of it. I don't think I go back here. I will go back in Brazil, but even so in Brazil, that's one of the more expensive
Yeah, we didn't go there all the
acai.
time. We only went there a couple times.
Therefore, they don't use sugar.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing. This is why I like it. It's a cool, cute brand, but I wasn't like, it was not like, oh wow, it was so cute there now that it's worth it to go back. So
Yeah.
yeah, it was just what it was.
It was decent.
It was a good adventure.
Yeah, it's a good experience.
Yeah, we bought like a really cute cup and
Yeah, we got some cool stuff we bought.
yeah, so that's good. And now heading back.
Heading home to a local area. We live in a local area at the end of the. So we gotta get out. We gotta get on another connection. Then get on another train. And then go all the way to the end. And then get off and then walk home. We live in a really cool and chill area. No tourists, just locals. Really quiet.